Hey everybody, welcome back to the Flat Thunder channel. My name's Andy, and in this week's video we're going to do something a little bit different. Last weekend we took a trip to Bowling Green, Ohio, and we visited the Historical Construction Equipment Association's, HCEA for short, 36th Annual International Convention and Old Equipment Exposition. This was a really cool show, and the part that makes it unique is a lot of the old equipment on site is actually being demonstrated and used. It's digging in the dirt, it's pushing dirt, it's moving dirt around, and that is just a whole lot cooler than seeing the equipment just sit there in a museum. Stay tuned, I'll show you a little bit of what we saw at the show. Montauk speed crane. That's a cool bucket. This one looks pretty nice.
Fire theory.
He's running it pretty good.
Run by cable. No hydraulics.
Hold on. He's running it pretty good. I ain't never seen one like that before. That's a weird looking one. Cleveland. Looks like it's got a Wisconsin in it. Oh, it's a ditch witch looking thing. It's a trencher.
Trencher.
What? What do you want? Well, we're looking at this stuff. We'll go over there. That's got a brand new bucket on it. This thing looks real nice. Hey, wait on Dad. You're stuck. Push it. Push it. Good job. All right, you got to watch down here. There's tractors running all over. While we were at the show, I ran into Matt from Diesel Creek. We got to walk around one of his projects, nicknamed Christine, the Galleon Road Grader. Got to chit chat for a little bit, learned a little bit about some of his upcoming projects. And while we were talking, he hooked us up with a cool channel sticker. So I got it on the cabinet now that we got it finally on the wall. This is going to be my YouTube channel sticker cabinet. I have a couple more stickers that I'm going to get placed up there. But as I receive them, I'm going to slap them all in these two cabinets. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Leave your questions and comments in that section below. And don't forget to punch that subscribe button your way out. Thanks for watching, everyone.